Welcome guys. Let's do REN token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. Current rank of REN is 101 and price of the REN is $1.09. Market cap of REN is $1 billion and that is huge. 24-hour trading volume of REN is $107 million, that is good. Circulating supply of REN is 1 billion, total supply of REN is 1 billion and maximum supply is also 1 billion. That's mean there is no hidden supply and that is very good thing. Let me please show you some statistics and after that I will show you the website. And here you can see on Saturday 2 June 2018 the price of the REN was just 9 cents and after that price goes to $1.80. And let me please show you all-time high. Here you can see all-time high was on February 20, 2021 about 8 months ago and the price was $1.80. And all-time low of REN token was on February 25, 2019 and the price was just 1.5 cents. And it gives 6,944% profit to its holder. That is very huge profit. And it is available on these exchanges, Gate.io and some other important exchanges. And if you want to open these exchange accounts, Binance, Phemex, Bybit, and if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, and Bybit $1,600 bonus, absolutely free, which are tradable. Just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and register your account with my affiliate link and get 20% also trading fees discount on every trade. Let me please show you the website of this token. It is very important token to me because this token has a very good reputation and there is no hidden supply of this token. And here you can see, let me please show you. Introducing REN VM and open protocol providing access to inter-blockchain liquidity for all decentralized applications, bringing BTC, BCH, ZEC and more to your Ethereum app. These are the partners. Here you can see very important and good partners. Transfer any token between any blockchain. Access tokens from any blockchain using your existing smart contract without having to worry about wrapping or unwrapping tokens. And this is very important information. Visit this website and please do your own research before buying this token. Let me please show you my charts. Let me please show you my first chart. This is my first chart and it is 4-hourly chart, USDT pair, REN USDT pair. It is currently is in this descending channel and this is the upper trend line and this is the lower trend line. And here you can see whenever it touch upper trend line, price bounce back towards downside, and here you can see, and here you can see no price is again touching this upper trend line. That is meaning that maybe we may see some rejection. If that happens, in that case price can go down to 98 cents. This blue line will be the support line, and I think after that it will have to move like this and it have to move like this. And if it broke this, in that case our target will be, first target will be this area, and this is our first target, immediate short-term target, and our second target will be this area, the beginning of this descending channel. And there is a good spot is at that zone. There is a very good support zone and it is at 91 cents price level. Maybe we may see some sideways action, but I think very soon it move towards upside and price will go up, I think so. Maybe we may see some drop in price, and after that, after hitting this blue trend line, maybe price will move towards upside. And if it has happened, if it broke $1.15 price level, in that case, according to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. Let me please calculate the target. In that case, this will be also our target. Here you can see You can say our first target 1.14 or $1.15, second target is $1.28, and third target is $1.39. Let me please show you some indicators. Here you can see EMA ribbon is below from candles, that is a good sign, and it is now turning as a support for the REN token. And let me please show you some other indicators. This is 4 hourly RSI and it is at 59 and it is bullish. Anything above 50 is bullish, it considers bullish. And let me please show you the MACD. MACD crossover towards the upside, big green towers are coming. That means price will increase very, very soon. And we have to wait until it break this zone. $1.10, after that $1.15 and $1.28 and $1.38. These are the immediate short-term target for this token. Let me please show you daily chart. This is the daily trend line. Here you can see this token price respect very much this trend line. Whenever price candles touch this, and after that we see a bounce back, and here you can see, and let me please show you. Here you can see till now it is respecting this trend line. Maybe price can retest this zone, or maybe this zone, 99 cents to $1 price zone. This is the strong support zone is at 88 cents and $1 price area. This area is also very, very important. $1 price area is very, very important for this token, and this is the area, 98 cents to $1 price area. And if I consider it as a triangle, here you can see this is the upper horizontal resistance, and you can say all-time high, and this is the downtrend line. And let me please consider is that as a triangle. In that case, if I calculate the target from bottom to top, in that case, sorry for that, I'm very much sorry for that. Okay, in that case, over target, let me please arrange this chart. In that case, our target will be like this, $2.03. But before this, it have to break this zone, $1.16 price area. After that, $1.32 price area. Once it broke these areas, in that case, $2.03 will be the target. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are ready to break this EMA ribbon. If I zoom this, you can see, here you can see. Once candles closing, daily candle closing above 1.5 cents, $1.05, in that case, it will be extreme bullish. We have to wait for this. And let me please show you daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 55 and it seems bullish, and once it crosses 60 it will be bullish and price will definitely go up. And let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD crossover is about to happen, and towers are changing their color. Once towers changing their color and green tower occurs, and this crossover may happens, after that we may see a big move in the price of REN token. And let me please hide these, and let me please arrange this, and let me please show you some fib levels. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see it is currently is in between 0.5 fib level to 0.61 in golden pocket, and it is in between $1.03 to 1.22. Once it break 0.61, it is at $1.22. In that case, our next target is this zone, 0.78, and it is at $1.49. Once it break this 0.78 Fibonacci level and $1.50 price level, in that case I think it will be extreme bullish, and in that case we may see very, very big move in the price of the REN token. I think so. And let me please show you my final chart. This is the weekly chart, and here you can see this is the all-time high is at $1.84, and this is strong resistance is at $1.41 price area, and it is a strong support is at 93 to 95 cents dollars price area. Our first target according to this support and resistance base is 1.33 in weekly chart, and once it broke this area $1.41 and close weekly candle above this, in that case our target will be like this. It will create new all-time high once it broke this and close daily candle above $1.41. In that case $1.91 will be the target, and if it rejected from that zone, this is a strong support zone is at 93 cent to 95 cents price area, and after that this area for 54 to 55 cents. I don't think price can go down to hit this area. I think this is a very strong support for this token. And let me please show you the target for this token. Let me please arrange this. It is currently in between 0.5 to 0.6 Fibonacci level, and I think it can easily hit this zone. And let me please show you. It can easily hit 4.4, and it is at $7.2, maybe $7.73 this area. These areas are very important. It can easily hit, I think this will be our final target is in between these areas. 7.22 to $7.72, these are the targets. I think this is the target for this bull run, and I think it can easily achieve this target. This is my final target for this token in this bull run. Thanks for the watching, and if you want to open these accounts, Binance, Premix, Bybit, KuCoin, Hotbit exchange accounts, just go to in this video's comment section or description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and please subscribe my channel.